They'll like make a book and then make a film, and then they'll always say the book is better. I want to feel how that feels. Like if they read the book, they say the book is better than the film.
You want pop? You want some?
You want some?
That's what I thought. Oh shit. Down up top. Yo pal, what are you doing at my castle?
I've come to speak.
Shut up, bitch. Suck my cock. Look at that view!
That's going in the comic book.
What?
Shut
So what have I got today? I'd like to do a shout out to fuck it, I got such a bad cough. A company, well, I don't know, like a sort of like a, I don't know, like a food place. They're called 7 Hills. I get all types of shit from them. This is goji berries. They're all organic, really nice stuff. Just healthy. And I buy shit all the time. You get like fruits, like goji berries in here. Don't think you can see that. So let's try and get it to that. Yeah, those are goji berries. Really nice stuff. It's like if you keep eating snacks and shit, just having like dried fruits and all that around, and then you eat dried fruits, just like it's just good for you, you know. It's better than just eating snacks and shit. I've got some organic wheatgrass powder. This stuff is, it's alright. You have to figure out how to like cook it and all that. You can put it in like food. You can use it for like shakes and all that. You can put it in like tea if you got like tea or anything. It's just a powder really. It's like green tea. It's a bit more tastier than green tea. Green tea is like, even on a good day I don't want to drink green tea because it's like very, very strong. Here's my green tea. Well, this is matcha, the powdered form stuff, and it's the same as 7 Hills. I just put it into a coffee jar, and here I got some organic blueberry powder. But yeah, I really recommend these guys. Like if you know anybody like wants to have like a healthy diet and you don't want to keep taking, I don't know, manufactured supplements like tablets and all that, just powder stuff, you know, dried stuff, dried fruits. It can be a lot healthy for you. So these are kind of my supplements. You know, they're just normal stuff. I add it to my diet and it makes it a lot healthier. So yeah. There's the house back there. Let's go for a walkie. Oh shit. Whoa, it's fucking muddy, pal. It's muddy. Oi, fucking. So, it's January. Taking my dog for a walk. Literally, like, this whole week, I've been so ill. I haven't done anything whatsoever, so hopefully this week I can, like, go for more walks, get more fresh air, just try and feel a bit better. But yeah, like, if anybody's ever ill, the worst thing to do, like, not like, oi, come here, oi, stop pulling, fucking hell, it's so muddy. Like, I feel like if anybody's ill, like they have cold or anything like that, the worst thing to do is just stay inside. Like, from experience, I would say it's the worst thing. Oi, oi, fucking hell, it keeps fucking pulling. Yeah, but like, like for worst experience, like if you ever got like a cold or anything, try and like get out in like the woods and shit. Just go for walks, get some sun. You know, it's good for you. So yeah. God damn! Look at that view, Bo. Look at that view. sunny. It's randomly got sunny for some reason. It's pissing it down a moment ago. Yeah. Probably head back. Where's he? Come on. Come on. Oh! Come on. Wait. Come on. Come on. Okay. He's eating the goddamn twigs. What are you doing? So basically, like, oh shit, I'm low power. Like every spring, like when it gets towards like summer, I try and get out like in the wild a bit more. Try and like see like the trees and all that. Try and become like one with nature a bit more. Because like when it's like autumn or winter, I sort of just like not care. I sort of just like I feel cold, so I just stay in, you know. But yeah, you feel a lot better if you keep getting out. Like I feel like shit. So that's why I'm doing this. Just walking around a bit more. I should be inside really, but oh well. I kind of want to go for a walk because I haven't done a lot this week. I haven't worked out. Just felt like shit. Like my throat kills me and all that. But yeah. Next episode I might do a workout episode. Like try and like do workouts and all that, like cardio and all that type of shit. And like I might start filming my meals like I do, because literally like this past week I haven't cared a lot about my diet. But yeah, I'll get back into shit. He's just eating twigs. Yeah, you ever seen a dog eat wood? Like not like chew it, but like full on like digest it and eat it. It's not right. It's really not. Day.